Thanks so much, Randy. I'm so excited to be presenting for you today. My name is Natalie McDonald, and I'm a solutions engineer here at Blend. Blend is a Silicon Valley technology company that offers a digital lending platform for credit unions that enables them to offer customized member experiences across channels. That's online, mobile, and in person. Blend makes the process of getting a loan or opening a deposit simpler, faster, and more secure. Blend currently works with over 285 lender partners, and this includes countless leading credit unions across the country, including Navy Federal Credit Union, Mountain America Credit Union, Affinity Federal Credit Union, and Elements Financial Credit Union. The company regularly enables leading financial institutions to process more than 4 billion loans per day. And in 2020, over 1.4 trillion in mortgages and consumer loans flowed through our platform. Blend's platform initially focused on mortgages, but has expanded over the past 2 years to encompass consumer banking with home equity loans and lines of credit, auto loans, home insurance, deposit account openings, and digital closings. The company also unveiled new configuration tools in 2020 to enable credit unions to build and launch consumer banking products in days instead of months, with product templates and no-code drag and drop workflows. Importantly, these new offerings were not built as disparate flows. Blend is able to accelerate our pace of innovation by leveraging our reusable components and our ever-growing system of data, technology, and service provider partnerships. So, Blend's goal is to be the connective tissue that enables seamless connections to data, technology, and service providers to power those real-time customer experiences. With Blend, credit unions can connect in all their systems and be there for their members' major financial moments, from applying for and closing on a mortgage to securing an auto loan, with an omni-channel experience every step of the way. The results of this philosophy speak for themselves. Through adopting Blend's digital solution, credit unions like Navy Fed were able to more than double their share of self-service applications, from 25% to 60%, and their self-service admission rate from 30% to 60%. Mountain America Credit Union also used Blend in pursuit of their mission to prioritize member experience above all else. That partnership resulted in over 11% year-over-year membership growth and 100% adoption rate by all their loan teams who rely on Blend to successfully compete and provide the best experience. So I'm here to show you how we get those types of results. We are going to dive into it today with a quick demo of our consumer platform. I wanted to spin up an environment here for you today, just to give you an example of what this could look for you. We've branded this with our Emblem Credit Union, which is a credit union we made up, just to kind of showcase how this is a white labeled solution. We want to make sure that we can support all of your different loan types, from residential to consumer lending, and to be able to jump into any of these flows and actually link to them from within your website and your online banking portal and even your marketing campaigns. The loan that we're going to dive into today is an auto loan, where someone's going to dive in and purchase a car. But the first thing someone's going to be presented with when they do click on that apply button is actually a pathway to sign up with Blend credentials so that they can log in and log out of the process and continue to use this over the life of the loan. However, one of our newest offerings is to be able to integrate in with your online banking platform existing today, and to allow someone who is a returning member to be able to apply with their existing online banking credentials. So in this case, if someone did select apply with your Emblem CU account, we would be able to pre-fill in some information and have the first page that they see actually be a known member experience. So they don't have to edit any of this. They can, of course, jump in here and edit a few fields and move themselves forward through the process very quickly. as I kind of showcase this application itself, I did want to point out that I have pre-filled a couple of fields here, but I do want to call out the interface. Blend spends countless, weeks and months making sure that we are looking at the data. We're seeing how consumers move through these types of applications, what kind of views they prefer, how they prefer to interact with data. And of course, we're constantly optimizing for pull-through and accuracy. One of the data sources that we have built into our platform is actually the Google Maps API to make sure that we can pre-verify things like addresses ahead of time. And of course, we can build in custom fields. If you offered gap insurance or life credit insurance, we can add that into the application flow to make sure that this is a beneficial flow for your credit union. As I complete the last couple of fields here, I do want to call out that this consumer has only spent maybe 5 minutes going through this application. And we are a very, results-driven world these days. People do expect to get, something out of this transaction that they've done with you. So this is one of the most important things that we can show them is through a very seamless integration with your LOS, we can send them a pre-approval or true approval right here into their interface. So in a single session, a single 5-minute app, we can do things in the background like pull their credit, like verify their identity, and send all of that information back to your decisioning system so that you can confidently pre-approve your customers and even get them started on their membership with your credit union, because this is a vital step for the credit union world. So this is all that I wanted to show you for today. This is kind of the final page, is being able to showcase the pre-approval, be able to provide them with a list of to-dos, being able to even throw up some cross-sell offers for the consumer here. But I hope I piqued your interest, hope I started some conversations, and thank you for your time.